Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to clean the drum of washing machine. As you can see, this is the LG washing machine. I am using this powder ScaLGo descaling powder to clean the drum. So let me show you how to do it. Let me open this box. I have ordered it from LG. So this is the packet. You have to use it fully. Now open the door. Here is the drum. Now you have to do one thing, take this powder and put it here in the rubber so that the dirt which is in this rubber is washed out. Okay, so this is the new model of LG washing machine. So here we get this tub clean option in this panel. Before it was here in this screen touch panel. So I have it here, so I'll switch it on. Now select tub clean. Okay, so you can see here it's written tub clean. Now just press this button. It will automatically take water and it will clean the drum. You have to do it. You have to do it once in a month. Otherwise, the drum stinks. You can see this is the time limit set 1 hour 14 minutes. Here you should not put any detergent or anything. It will just take water from here. You can see the foam here. So now the cleaning has been completed. So let me open this. Okay, as you can see, it is totally cleaned. Even here it is fully cleaned. So if you don't clean this often, this drum will start to sink. And I have ordered this powder, this descaling powder, for rupees 180. You can get this from Amazon or Flipkart. Friends, this is about today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.